Okay, so one last thing. Okay, we request you to this is something from Street Store, Mumbai for the Smile Kids. So please give the kids something that they remember this event with. Come on, kids, let's go. Up.
अरे उल्टा यार हंसो 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 बेटा हंसो हंसो पोजिंग
उसको पाउट करना है
अरे तू आ हेलो हेलो
So who's behind me? अरे where are they and where am I? Please, 1 minute.
आलिया राइट में आलिया राइट में आलिया राइट में
Been so kind to you all of these years.
Yeah, no. Firstly, I'll say sorry क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से वेट कर मेरे को पता है पर संडे है नाइट में शूटिंग कर रही थी तो लेट हो गया थोड़ा सा बट थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर आई थिंक टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल डे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ओकेजन है हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि कपड़े बहुत अच्छे हैं शॉपिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है स्पेशली एक्ट्रेसेस स्पेशली सेलिब्रिटीज वी ऑलवेज वांट टू शॉप एंड एज अ यंगस्टर तो बस बाप रे हम चाहे शॉप but not many people get that opportunity to just go all out and buy whatever they want. So I think the concept of Street Store put together by Top Notch and supported by Anmol Jewellers and Smile Foundation, I think is a great idea. पहली बार actually I've heard of something like this. मुंबई में तो पहली बार हुआ. There is a pop-up for the underprivileged. And I think मैंने भी कपड़े डोनेट किया है. मैं तो अगर मेरा जी करे तो मैं पूरा wardrobe डोनेट कर दूंगी क्योंकि इतने कपड़े हैं मेरे पास. But I think I'm starting small and hopefully this can become an annual thing and we can just push this higher because I think everybody should be privileged enough to wear whatever they like and however they like it.
Would like to throw open to questions.
I also love you. Go watch my film.
Well, we gathered here today not to talk about your film, though.
This question, because I think as a child only, my mother instilled those values in me and my sister that whenever we would clean out our closet, we would give our clothes to an ashram. There's a club called the Pavement Club that I support very dearly. It's in town, nurtured by my grandmother. They're all students and kids from the pavement who don't have the kind of privileges that we have. So whether it's donations, clothes, anything that you think is very valuable to you can be 10 times more valuable to them. So starting off like that as a child, today I can maybe come here and take a stand for it and hopefully inspire other people to also do the same. But yes, in the future I would not want to only stop here. With regard to fashion and charity, I think a lot can happen and hopefully I can combine those two together and really kill it and bring a smile on people's faces.
Ali, do you feel more kind of an awareness? As you said, you were a child and you used to give your clothes, so that is also very important. Like, you know, when we are small, actually, from that time, like that habit goes on.
I think it's very important to take from one hand and then give from the other hand. You have two hands, you take from the left hand, you give from the right hand. the givingness in a person should be way more than what you take from people, and it's easier said than done. But I think if you start instilling those values in yourself as a child and as a kid, then maybe you can take that forward as an adult and pass that on to your kids as well.
I know you're here for a very, very important cause and we really appreciate that. But there's one question we want to ask you. Uttar Punjab is in, is with the revising committee now. It's going to be going to the FCAT. Do you feel the censor board has been unfair because you're part of the film? The censor board has suggested 40 cuts. What is left of the film?
Band.
See, all I want to say is that Anurag Kashyap put out a tweet of all the information that is true and that is related to this topic right now, which is, and there was nothing mentioned of the cuts. It was just that the film is moved on to the revising committee and the due process is on. I think apart from that, it will be wrong for me to say anything because this is actually what is happening. So let's wait and watch, and hopefully everybody will be happy.
But Alia, are you start with the way the censor board has really targeted?
Today is all about smiling, so I'm going to smile about the street store pop-up. I'm sure you'll have a lot of questions answered very soon, but today let's keep it to this.
Alia, what do you want to appeal to your audience, to your fans regarding this experience?
I think what I want to appeal, starting from now, maybe today is a pop-up, but I think an awareness that, as I said before, that you take from one hand and you give from the other hand. So hopefully we can, this is what, if I'm not mistaken, the 450th, the 400? The 49th. This is the 49th, 449th pop-up, street pop-up that has happened now in Mumbai. So it's just the beginning. We can really take this. It happened once in Bangalore, now it's happening in Mumbai, it's happening in Hyderabad as well. We can take it to Delhi, Pune, wherever. Basically bring the awareness of the street store and just basically whenever you're cleaning out your closet, think of another person and not just like, oh, मैं अपनी दोस्त को दे दूँगी. There are other people who may require it as well.
आलिया इनके साथ जुड़ी रहोगी कि दिस इज फॉर दैट वन पर्टिकुलर इवेंट यू आर हियर एक्चुअली मतलब
अगर ये चाहते कि मैं जुड़ी रहूँ तो मैं जुड़ी रहूँगी, बट आई एम श्योर देयर मेनी पीपल जिनके साथ दे विल वांट टू कोलैबोरेट इन द फ्यूचर, आई एम श्योर. But it's a start. Also, it's a special event because I know Kashish and Abdul for a very long time. We have been friends for many years. So today, for me to be here supporting their event is a double special thing, and I'm really excited and happy that people are doing these things nowadays. और इतना prime location जो मिला है Batter Road पे, वो भी Sunday पे, I think is a great thing.
One question for you, Alia. How do you tell the audience how to approach Smile Foundation and give out their whole stuff? And
I think you need to answer that better.
So the Smile Foundation all over India is running almost 200 projects, and you can visit our website, and from there you can get a lot of information about the education project, health projects that we do. So I can tell you it's www.smilefoundationindia.org, and anybody can approach us, and there are a lot of numbers and you can contact, and we will be in touch and collect the stuff from there. Yeah.
Hi Alia, one more question. Alia, आपने कहा कि आपको शॉपिंग करना बहुत पसंद है. कभी आपने स्ट्रीट स्टोर से कभी शॉपिंग की है? कोई एक्सपीरियंस आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
कभी ऐसा स्ट्रीट स्टोर ऐसा लाइक दिस द स्ट्रीट स्टोर और जस्ट इन जनरल लाइक अ फ्ली मार्केट? हाँ, बहुत शॉपिंग किया है. मैं बहुत बोहो हूँ. मैं बोहो चिक. बोहो यू कैन फाइंड इन फ्ली मार्केट. आई लाइक बाइंग दिस लिटिल एक्सेसरीज. कभी कुछ डब्बा मिल जाता है जिसमें मैं ज्वेलरी रखती हूँ. You get a lot of these opportunities, especially Goa में the night market is beautiful. जब मैं शूटिंग कर रही थी वहाँ पे for गौरी शिंदे's film, we went to the night market. और हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे और बीच में शॉट के बीच में एक मिनट I was going and buying one thing, then going back, and then leaving the shot, and then going and buying one thing. So I'm not a shopaholic, but I love to shop. I love clothes. और I'll look for the next opportunity.
डिफरेंसेस क्या रहता है जब आप बहुत बड़ी मॉल में आप ऑर्डर करने जाते हो और स्ट्रीट में
कोई डिफरेंस नहीं रहता. I only look कि मेरे को अच्छा लगना है कि मैं क्या खरीदूँ. Wherever I am, whether I'm in a market or when I'm in a mall. After this last question,
so, Alia, what brings a smile on your face, like genuine happiness? What brings you genuine?
I think watching the little kids smile brings the biggest smile on my face. And today they were very cute. सब लोग एक लाइन में मेरे साथ चल रहे थे, फिर एक लाइन में पीछे खड़े थे. And very well behaved, I must say, and very sweet. So I think for everybody, yeah, when you see a child and it's like जो genuine खुशी उनके चेहरे पे दिखती है, there's nothing like it in that world, in the world. So that is definitely bring a smile on my face.
आलिया, आप बॉलीवुड से बिलोंग करती हैं, बहुत सारे आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं.
बॉलीवुड से बिलोंग करती हूँ.
कितने अपने दोस्तों को आप इन्वॉल्व करेंगे इस कॉज पे, और किससे जुड़ने के लिए कहेंगे? आप अपने तरफ से कितना इनिशिएटिव लेंगे?
सिद्धार्थ को या वरुण को?
हाँ, सबको इन्वॉल्व करूँगी. सबके पास बहुत कपड़े हैं, सब बहुत गुड लुकिंग इंसान है, उनके पास बहुत अच्छे क्लोथ्स है, then I'm sure they should give their clothes to people.
But this is only for the children, or it is for the adult?
It's for the underprivileged. So it can be for kids, it can be for the homeless, it can be whoever. Whatever you find in the streets. So which is why we should urge everybody, not only me, old people, young people, middle-aged people, whoever, you know, just give and donate whatever you can from your closet, and you have a beautiful store.
Alia, how much is different for you work in Ashiki 3 with Siddharth?
हैं?
आपके लिए कितना अलग रहेगा सिद्धार्थ के साथ आशिकी 3 में काम?
हम लोग आशिकी 3 के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कुछ नहीं शुरू है आशिकी 3 के बारे में.
You are working with Siddharth in Ashiki 3.
We will, when we work, that time we'll talk about it. No?
Would you like to say something about Tanmay? Actually, you know, he's made a comment on Sachin and Lataji also. Yeah.
Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah, I know.
Talk about smiley things, no? Tanmay also makes you laugh. Look at his funny videos. उनके videos बहुत funny है.
And on that laughing note, we would like to end this Q&A. Thank you very much.